Hello and welcome back to Hugo House, and today we'll talk about this DIY big pegboard shelving system. You want to learn? You want to learn some new woodworking techniques and need simple DIY wood projects to start with? Well, this DIY big pegboard shelving system is for you. It's quick and easy to make, and you can turn any boring wall into a whole new point of interest with it. Better yet, the pegs allow you to reorganize these shelves to your heart's content. If things change, you can easily rearrange them into something that works better for you. The first thing you'll want to do before making these DIY shelves is to pay a visit to your local hardware store to stock up on all of the woodworking materials you will need. If you have to start your supplies from scratch, this shelving project will cost approximately $60. But if you already have some of the equipment like glue, screws, and wood finish, you could possibly build it for half of that or even less. Some of the tools you will need to build your peg shelving unit are a table saw or a circular saw, a drill and a drill guide if possible, a stud finder, a sander, a paint roller, a straight edge, a tape measure, and a pneumatic nailer could come in very handy too. If you don't own a pneumatic nailer, of course the traditional hammer and nails will do just as well, although the woodworking project might take slightly longer. For the materials, all you need is a 4x4 sheet of 3/4 inches plywood, 1-inch dowel rod, wood for shelving that's at least 5 inches, 6 1/4 inches by 2.5 inches lax screws and washers, polyurethane or paint, 1 1/4 inch screws, wood glue, edge banding, and all of the tools listed above. To start out, you'll make the first cuts of your plywood to create a piece that is 48 inches by 36 inches and another that is 48 inches by 12 inches. The larger piece is going to be the pegboard, and the smaller piece will be used later to make a French cleat that mounts the pegboard to the wall. Once you have all of your cut piece of wood, you'll draw out a grid layout of the board to create the peg slots. Make sure a 4-inch wide border around the edges of the large piece of plywood, and then mark lines every 5 inches vertically and every 4 inches horizontally. You will then drill 72 holes on the points all over the larger piece of board to create all of the peg holes. Once all of the holes have been drilled, you can then get out of your sander and sand down the front of the pegboard to smooth it out. If you want nice looking edges, you can then put on the edge banding around the edges of the board. Next up, you're going to create the aprons that will fit the space between the wall and the pegboard. Just cut 2 1-inch wide lengths from the 48-inch by 12-inch piece of plywood and then glue or nail them on the back sides of the pegboard. After that's all done, you can stain and finish your piece, or you can paint it any color you like. Then, you'll cut and attach the French cleat by cutting a board at a 30 to 40 degree angle, and then mount one half of the board to the back of the shelf so that the 30 to 40 degree cut is facing away from the piece. And we do hope you learned something about our video for today, and if you like it, please do consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.